Assalamualaikum dear students, it's Asim Ansari. I hope you all are fine. Dear students, as we know that there are so many branches of chemistry like inorganic, organic, analytical, polymeric, analytical, nuclear chemistry, environmental chemistry. There are so many branches, out of which one branch is organic chemistry. And first of all, we have to define that what is organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is basically a chemistry that deals with the organic compounds. Now the question is that what are the organic compounds? Organic compounds are those which contain carbon as an essential components. The carbon must be present in the compound, so those compounds will be organic compounds, and the study of those compounds is known as organic chemistry. But remember, there are four compounds you can see: carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, bicarbonate, and carbonate. They contain carbon, but they do not match the similarity with the other organic compound. So that's why they are not included in the organic chemistry, although they contain carbon. Other than these compounds, all the compounds containing carbon are organic compounds. Okay, then vital force theory of organic compounds. Vital force theory of organic compound. First of all, we need to understand that what is the vital force. Vital force is the force that can give the life. That can give the life. Vital force. According to this force, according to this concept, the formation of organic compounds in living organism is due to the presence of some vital force. It's mean we cannot prepare organic compounds by ourselves. Just vital force will produce this. Vital force produces living organisms such as plants and animals. So they can produce organic compounds. Okay. Here it is mentioned that organic compounds cannot be synthesized in the laboratory by using inorganic substances. So in short, this theory tells that we cannot manufacture the organic compound, but only the vital force theory can do that. Do this. Okay. Then rejection of vital force theory. In 1828, Friedrich Holler, it was a chemist. He accidentally heated the ammonium cyanide. Accidentally heated the ammonium cyanide, due to which urea was formed. Before this accident, the urea was obtained only by the urine of animals, and by the urine of animals urea was obtained. It was the vital force. But now this urea is also synthesized in the laboratory, so the vital force theory is rejected. Now the new theory is this vital force theory can synthesize the organic compound, as well as in the laboratory organic compound can also be produced. Okay. Then when vital force theory can synthesize the organic compounds, what are the sources for obtaining the organic compound? You can see there are five. You can see plants, animals, coal, natural gas, and petroleum. There are five natural sources of organic compounds. We have to deal with all of them one by one. First of all, plants. How can we say that plants are the natural source of organic compound? As you know that there is a specific process that differentiate the plants with the animal, that is the process of photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? In photosynthesis, plant manufacture their own food, which is glucose, by the combination of carbon monoxide and water, and with the help of chlorophyll and sunlight they manufacture the glucose. The glucose is the process of vital force, natural process, and it is the, you can say that, very big source for organic compound. Okay. Other than carbohydrate, glucose, starch, cellulose are also obtained from plants. Okay. And plants are the natural source. then animals then animals. In the rejection theory, we studied that urea can also be synthesized in the laboratory, but the main source of urea was the urine of animals. So other than urea, protein, vitamins, fats, they are also found in animal body, and animals are the natural source of organic compounds. Number 3, coal. Coal is basically a complex material. It is composed of mainly it undergoes destructive distillation. What is destructive distillation? It is basically the isolation of solid particles from the solid mixture. From the solid mixture, we have to isolate all the individual solid material. The process is known as destructive distillation. When we destructive distillate the coal, the products are coal gas, coal tar, and coke. Coal gas, you can see it contain hydrogen, methane, carbon dioxide. The main source is methane. Methane is organic compound, so we can say coal gas is organic compound. Coal tar. Coal tar is basically liquid. When it is fractionally distillated, it can produce other organic liquids. So many liquids like benzene, naphthalene, xylene, other so many. Okay, coke. Coke is the pure carbon that is used in the metallurgy of metals. Okay, students. Then the fourth is natural gas, the most interesting topic of the natural source, natural gas. What happened in 1951 at the place of Soy? They were they were wanting to find petroleum, but accidentally they obtained a gas from a well. That gas was the gift of nature, so that's why it is known as natural gas. Other than it, it is also known as soy gas because of the position of the state. Okay, natural gas which was found naturally. It you can say the composition. 94% methane, ethane, propane, butane. You can see these four ingredients are organic. Only 3.8 or 3.90% is inorganic portion, and the other is organic portion. So we have to count it as organic source, organic compound source. Okay. Petroleum is also known as rock oil or crude oil that is found under the earth crust, which is obtained from earth crust. It is a mixture of several hydrocarbon. Approx 500 petrochemicals are found from the petroleum that are used in different purposes such as kerosene oil, petrol, vigroin, asphalt. There are so many petrochemicals that are found from the petroleum, and all are the natural sources, and all are the natural compounds of, and all are the organic compounds manufactured by natural source. Okay, students.